Welcome to my channel, That's a Fact. Our video is about gardening and mental health. Cultivating and mental well-being. In this video, we will make sense of how cultivating helps emotional wellness. If you're a plant darling, you should be familiar with the benefits of gardening on emotional wellness. In various colleges, many planting and psychological well-being researches have been done, and the outcomes were awesome. We have a summed-up article for you to support up your energy and continue to develop plants however much you can. The 21st century is the time of moment everything, moment espresso, moment feasts, moment orders, moment sends, moment correspondence, and most fundamentally moment results. Hypothetically, these moment things are intended to deliver some time. Notwithstanding, in actuality, the more you are free, the more errands you must attempt to do. Subsequently, not in the least does one need to have everything drained and quick yet. In addition, add more things that expect to be done in a flash. It's no big surprise individuals give out generally quick these days. We are establishing a rhythm that is difficult to keep awake without unfortunate results. Besides the fact that our body fights through different circumstances, yet additionally our psyche through psychological maladjustments and strain. Cultivating and mental well-being. Cultivating requires a serious smidgen of actual work, a component that makes numerous people reject as an exorbitant sum on top of all the other things. In any case, that is just one part of cultivating. The inverse less popular angle, or rather the perspective that just ends up being clear once your nursery, is the colossal relaxation your psyche can incite while planting. By its actual nature, cultivating could be a sluggish cycle. There's no moment satisfaction here. All things considered, it yields its best outcomes once you require investment over it and pay attention to the subtleties. All the more significantly, the work practices your body while passing at the forefront of your thoughts to ruminate over everything under the sun, something turning out to be progressively interesting inside the frantic speed of life. It additionally shows you the value of expecting a few things. They're better for the pause and you appreciate them more. Consider the sensitive begonia plant that you simply have pampered into sprouting. The endeavor takes investment from you, yet the tip results lovely to the faculties. Cultivating likewise permits you to be inside the presence of nature, whether that presence could be a little pruned plant. Since the plant develops and flourishes, you're feeling fulfillment from work all around good. The hours that you just put into your nursery yield lovely outcomes that please and fulfill your brain, bringing down pressure and permitting your psyche to unwind. In a life that is a progressively high speed, frantic, and upsetting, your nursery turns into a desert spring of quiet and serenity. Going through even an hour acting in your nursery can work with your unwinding, bring down your feelings of anxiety and license your psyche to celebrate in the harmony that your nursery offers. There could be no more excellent diversion for your brain. If you want to read detailed article about gardening and mental health topic, please check link in description. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.